Today we're going to clean this filthy, dirty sink. The first thing I'm going to focus on is this disgusting mold that's forming on the grout lines. To get rid of this dirty, ugly mold, we're going to use this product called Goo Gone Grout and Tile Cleaner. So I've wiped off the excess, and so this is what I have. I'm very happy it got the mold off. The grout is discolored from, you can see the grout up there is really nice and colored, and the one down there is discolored, but there's no mold on it. So you can see with this faucet, there's some grime here. It's just kind of caked on. And we can do different things for that. We can use a brush like this to get it off with some comment on it. We can also use a grout brush to scrape it off. And also, this is a painter's spatula. It's plastic, and you can use that to scrape it off also. It is plastic, so it's not going to hurt the chrome. So this is the end result. It's a very nice, shiny faucet. In addition to the Comet, I had to bring in this Barkeeper's Friend. This one is a little more stronger, and it got the really heavy-duty grime. Took it away. Looks beautiful. So now we're going to move on to the basin. Basically just going to use the Comet, some Barkeeper's Friend, and that's it, just the abrasives. And here's the end result. A nice, shiny, clean sink. Beautiful.